Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is the Global Toluwakemi. I'm super excited to be doing this video for you. Yes, for you, because I want to talk about something that I love doing. Like, I absolutely love doing it. Yes, I love doing it. And what is that? That is WhatsApp marketing. But much more, in WhatsApp marketing, there's something I love much more, which is contact growing. I love it, and I'm going to be doing this video for you. In this particular video, I'll be sharing my own personal experience. Yes, my own personal experience. And after this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you another video, like a playlist, where I will be breaking down how you can do what I have done. Yes, so I'm going to be doing this particular video to share my experience, and then this other video will be to share with you how to go about it. Now let's get into this video because I am excited. How many times have I talked about excited? Yes, because I have. All right, so for me, when it comes to contact growing, when it comes to growing my contacts on WhatsApp, I started taking it very seriously in the year 2019. So something happened. I remember that I was at an event, Pelumi Stage Play, and I was privileged to be one of the planning committees for the Pelumi Stage Play. And someone saw my WhatsApp status, and the person said, "Toluwakemi, are you telling me that you have 150 views on your WhatsApp status?" And I said, "Yes, I have 150 views on my WhatsApp status." And the person was like, "You mean 150 people are viewing your WhatsApp status?" And that was the first time it dawned on me that views equals to people. Yes, if you currently have 30 views on your WhatsApp status, that means 30 people, 30 human beings viewed your status. That is what it means. So that means if you have 1,000 views, that means you have 1,000 people viewing your WhatsApp. So that was the first time it dawned on me, and I realized that, oh my God, I am sitting on a gold mine here. And I said to myself, how do I make sure this does not reduce? How do I make sure I keep getting high views? And that was what led me to growing my contacts intentionally in the month of August 2019. Yes, it started for me in the month of August 2019. I gave myself a goal. I said, as at then, I was having like between 170 and 150 views in 24 hours. I told myself, I said, I can make it 200, I can make it 300. And then gradually, one after the other, I started increasing it, 300, 400, and right now I am on 1,200. Yes, on a minimum, 1,200 on a minimum in 24 hours. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. I know you're like, are you serious? Yes, I know what I'm talking about, and I'm telling you the truth. If you like, believe me. If you like, don't believe me. It's up to you. Right? So let's dive right into it. When I started doing that intentionally, and I realized that, oh, as I was doing that, I realized I was also doing something alongside it. I was building a brand for myself. Yes, I built a brand. Yes, I remember people started calling me WhatsApp Queen, and I was feeling myself, hey. So I built a brand, and then through building a brand, I started building a business. Yes, I started building my coaching business, my teaching business. I started building it. All on WhatsApp. Yes, all on WhatsApp. And I realized that as I was building my brand, I was building my business, I was getting known and recognized by people, and I was gradually becoming an influencer overnight. And I kid you not, though I was still an undergraduate there, right? And I was literally becoming an influencer overnight. And I was like, what is going on? And then little by little, people started, messaging me and started saying things like, I impact their life, something I wrote, something I shared. And I'm like, you impact, I say, me, I'm impacting your life. That's good though. And before I could say Jack Robinson, I already built a community around myself, the Theoreal Nation. People were already saying things like, oh, I love viewing your status, I enjoy viewing your status, yada, good stuff. And then I started making money. Yeah. I started making money from my WhatsApp status. People were paying me to do stuff. People were paying me to post on my status. People were it was so fun. It was so amazing. And I enjoyed doing that. And I've been doing that for the past 5 years. Last year, August made it 5 years. And this year, August will make it 6 years that I've been doing this. I look forward to actually releasing a book this year, August, about WhatsApp marketing. See, from WhatsApp to the world. That's what I'm going to call the book, by the way. So I'm super excited about it and I'm looking forward to doing it soon, right? And yeah, I have a good news for you. You can do all these things I just talked about. You also can do it. Of course, remember what I said. I've been doing it for the past 5 years, almost 6 years. It didn't just jump on me. It took intentional growth. It took. Don't forget what I said. I said I started growing my contacts intentionally. Yes, I had to do that. So the beautiful thing about this particular video is I just want to come here and tell you what is possible, what I have done. I wanted to share my story, my experience with you first. Now I have a video that I'm going to share with you. Just check the description box. I have a direct link to the video where I broke down everything and how I did it step by step, line by line on how to go about it. It is free and you get access to the video immediately. So immediately you finish watching this video, you can just click that link to go to it and then you watch it back to back, step by step, how I did it. And you can also do it yourself. Now, in conclusion, let me say this, right? In order to be able to do this video, because it's something I've been doing, right? I said to myself, I said, let me practice what I teach. So I gave myself a challenge over the weekend. I'm currently filming this video on 7th of May. Today is the 7th of May, I believe. Yeah, 7th of May 2025. So I don't know when you are watching. Maybe you can drop a comment on when you are watching it. I currently filmed this video 7th of May 2025. And I kid you not, the weekend before this, I gave myself a goal. I said, can I grow my contacts by a minimum of 50? Guys, by the time I was done, I had grew my contacts by a minimum of 150. Yes, 150 contact minimum. And should I tell you something? Between then and as at the day I'm filming this video, 2 of those contacts I grew had already messaged me and said, thank God I met you. Someone already bought something from me. Someone that is not even in Nigeria has already bought something for me through WhatsApp. Yes. So I'm really telling you it is possible because I am the packaged results or the packaged case study of it is possible. So are you ready? Let's get into that particular video. Thank you so much for watching. If there's a friend that should definitely watch this, please send the link to the friend. It's very, very important. Right, so let's get into the video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.